Let me take you through how I made Afrobeat chord progressions from basic to advanced right after the intro. The name is Progrssiond, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribed. Alright guys, we are in the first studio. I'm going to change the tempo to 102 BPM. The next thing I'm going to do is to open hypersonic. Very simple. Okay. Alright, I'm going to use electric piano, soft vintage. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to the piano roll. Okay, so if you can't see these labels, these notes labels, go to piano rolls, view, scale labels, then select all notes. Very simple. So first thing you're gonna do is to go to helpers and choose the scale. Okay, choose the scale. So I'm gonna use this minor. Then you go back again, helpers. Now you choose the key. Okay, so I'm gonna use key E. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to develop chord progressions. Right now, the highlighted notes are those that you have to play, and the dark notes are those that you don't have to play. Okay, so after selecting your scale and key, just choose any of the highlighted notes randomly like this. Very simple guys, choose any of them. So after choosing the root notes, after your root notes, you count. A chord is going to be a major chord or a minor chord. Okay, so to get a major chord, after your root note, after this root note, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. If the fourth one is highlighted, then you select. If it is not, then you have to skip. So right now, when we count 4 after this root note, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is not highlighted. Okay, so I'm gonna count 3 first. It's going to be a minor chord. To get a minor chord after your root note, you count 3. After this, you count 1, 2, 3. You can see the third one is highlighted, then you select. Okay, to add the third note, after this you have to count 4. After this, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the fourth one is highlighted, then you select. Simple guys. So we move on to this one. After the root note, okay, you are going to count 3. After the root note, you are going to count 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that the fourth one is highlighted, then you select. To add the last note, you have to count 3. Okay, this is a major chord, so 1, 2, 3. The third one is highlighted, then you select. So you move on to the next one. It's going to be a major or a minor chord. So after this, we are going to count 3. After this, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the fourth one is not highlighted, so you have to count 3 first. So after this, 1, 2, 3. The third one is highlighted, you select. Then you count 4. After this, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is not highlighted, so in this case, you have to change the root note. Okay, then you start the whole thing again. So after this, you count 1, 2, 3. The third one is highlighted, then we select. After this, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is highlighted, so we select. So this is a minor chord. Alright, then we go to the last one. After this, we are going to count 3 or 4. So after this, let's count 3 first. It's going to be a minor chord. So 1, 2, 3. The third one is highlighted, so you select. To add the last one, you count 4. After this, C5, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is highlighted, so you select. Very simple guys. So now let's listen to the chord progression. Very simple guys. So to add the bass note, all you have to hold is Control Shift. You highlight the bass note, you duplicate. Okay, to bring it a little bit octave, low octave to get the bass. So let's listen. Okay, so right after this, you can choose any of these highlighted notes and play. If it sounds nice, then you maintain it. So randomly, 1. So those that will sound bad, then we change. Okay, so now let's play. Okay, so I want to change this. Very simple, guys. So right now what you can do is to play with some of the notes by sending them high octave or low octave. So we highlighted this, you hit Control plus the arrow up like this. I'm going to send this one to high octave like that. Very simple, guys. So we want to make this chord progression sound like real, okay, realistic. So we're gonna hit Alt S on the keyboard to bring the strumizer. Then you play with the start time and the end time, okay. But remember, don't overdo this. So you can see it is overlapping here. That's where we use the end time to bring everything inside this box, okay. You hit accept. So let's listen. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna start everything again. Change the tempo to 100. Then we're gonna change the key. So you go back to piano roll, helpers, minor. Right now we are going to use J minor like that. Very simple, guys. So first thing is to select any of the highlighted notes randomly. This time I'm gonna make a short chord progression like this. Let's listen. Let me change this to this. Very simple, guys. So what you can do next is to make this chord progression major or a minor. So to make this chord progression major, after your root note, this root note we count 1 2 3 4. If the fourth one is highlighted, then we select, okay. And to add the last note after this A4, we count 3. 1 2 3. The third one is highlighted, so we select like that. We do the same thing here. After this root note, D sharp, we count 4. After this 1 2 3 4, you can see the fourth one is highlighted, so you select, okay. Then to add the last note, you count 3. So after this we count 1 2 3. The third one is highlighted, we select like that. We do the same thing here. So this is going to be a minor chord. After this 1 2 3, the third one is highlighted, so we select. Then we add the last one. After this we count 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so if you count 4 and the fourth one is not highlighted, then you come and count 3. If it is highlighted, there is going to be a minor chord, okay, vice versa. So let's listen to this. Alright, so to add the bass, you hold shift plus the control, you highlight the bass, the root note, then you duplicate this by holding shift and dragging, okay. Then control plus the arrow down button to bring this to a low octave to create a bass for you. Let's listen. Okay, so right after this, guys, right after this, you can select any of these highlighted notes here, okay. If it sounds nice, then you maintain. If it does not, then you change, okay. So just select randomly, okay. Something simple, guys, like this. Let's listen. You can even add more notes. If it sounds nice, then you maintain. If it's not, then you change. Let's listen. So you see this one is not nice, so I'm going to change. I'm going to change this one too. Very simple, guys. So what you can do next is to send some of the note to low octave or high octave. So I'm going to send some to high octave. You highlight Control plus the arrow up button like this to send it high octave. Okay, something simple, guys, like this. Let's listen. So I'm gonna control the volume for this, highlight the level, and let's listen. Alright, so let me bring them back like that. So what you can do next is to make this chord progression more realistic by pressing Alt S on the keyboard to bring this to a major. Then you play with them. Okay, play with the time here. But don't overdo it. Okay, very simple. Okay, so those that will extend this line, use the end time and bring them inside. Okay, watch here. If they are overextending, you bring them inside like this. You hit accept. Alright guys, so very simple. You can now fill the bars like this. Okay, let's see what we can use this one for. Very simple. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like. Let me use my drum loops. You can download this from the link in the description box. Alright, chop here. Very simple, guys. I'm not going to make a beat, but let's listen. Change this to song. Alright, so let me add another melody. Very simple, guys. Hypersonic. Clone hypersonic again. Use marimba. Okay, let me create simple counter melody. Change this to steps. Bring this forward like this. Fill this bass. Subscribe to the channel here. Download the loop from the link in the description box. Let's move on. Clone the hypersonic again. I like using hypersonic. Very simple. I'm okay with that. Electric pianos. Let me use something simple. copy this, bring it here, put them on the key like this. Let's listen. Okay guys, very simple, something simple guys. I think I have to correct something here. Alright guys, let me drop some nice shakers and we are cool to go. Shakers, let's drop this one, double click. Okay, we go to time, 2 bars like this, change this to auto, reduce the volume. Okay, fill the bars, very simple. Alright guys, so this is how to make chord progression, very simple. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Progrssiond, still the solution career. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.